Come on.
The dog attempts to sit pretty for as long as possible.
Come on. Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Oh, yeah, I know you want it.
He's gonna cheat.
Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Oh, come on, he was cheating there.
Over here. Over here.
Come on, do it, Milo.
Sit. Sit.
Look at your bone.
Sit pretty.
Come on.
Sit pretty.
You're not too torn.
Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Come on. Sit pretty. Sit pretty.
The only trick this dog can do. Oh.
Sit pretty. Sit pretty. Good boy. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come on. Hold it.
Oh, how cute.
Hold it. Hold it. Oh. Gonna go up again? Sit pretty. Hold it.
Holy shit.
Go up again?
Uh-oh. Can he attempt the third?
Milo, sit pretty.
Can he attempt a fourth? Can he do a fourth? Will you do one more? One more and you get it.
Come here, come here. Come on.
One more trick.
Come here. Sit. Milo, sit. Come here. Come on.
I guess not. He did it enough.
Yeah, he's like, fuck you guys.
Now he choosing his prize.
We'll do it again in a little bit. That's how we do it.
The dog is eating a
If
human
you're doing
leg.
that, you really want to touch it again. You know it's dry right now, but...
We just chewed
in
a
a
chunk
little
of the
while.
bone.